What's going on, guys? It's MitchMotoMaths here. We're on day 6 of our trip up to Queensland. We are just leaving Warwick after last night's escapades to the hospital. Nathan and I need a new chain. We both need a new chain, so we went into Top 2 Motorcycles in Warwick, bought a new chain. They lent us some tools so we could, install our chain there. Really, top. Really helpful. They tried to get us sorted. They looked for They looked for the headlight cover, but they couldn't find one. They were going to steal it off one of the bikes for me, but none of the bikes they had actually had one that would fit. They looked up, on our trip up to see if there was anywhere that would have some, and none did. So I'm just going to order some when I get home. So bought a new chain, bought a good quality one. So we're tracking. So hopefully today will be a good bit of riding. I've got a time lapse of us changing chain. There was a bit of an absolute. We had a bit of a fiasco with my chain. Nathan's went all fine. The guy came and helped us do it, but in terms of, they didn't lend us the rivet tool. They just kind of came and used it for us real quick, which I can understand. They're like, they could easily pocket this or whatever, but really friendly guys, really helpful. There was the temptation to test ride a Tenere while I was there, but we are now, we have to make some good time. The weather's awesome. I've taken out the lining of my jacket, so we're going through. I'm getting constantly teased about my visor being open, so I'm gonna make sure I keep it closed even when I am getting a little bit hot. I actually should be okay because I've got the winter lining out of my jacket. I'm getting really conscious of saying the word because Nathan says I say it a lot, so I'm trying to cut down on that. But so the first thing is I miscounted. Well, I counted correctly. We just cut it at the wrong point because I missed it needs to be here. I was wrong about that. So we ended up with the chain being too short, so we had to use 2 links to kind of put it together. But then what happened is we broke the first link that we tried to use because it was the wrong size. Because it was in my toolkit, but it was for my WR. And then got it out, went in, bought another one, and then just that worked fine once we had to we got that sorted and repacked the bags, made my toolkit a little bit more accessible. And Nathan gave me a bottle of water, but I think there's a crack in it, and I am really worried that I'm going to open my food bag and it's just going to be just going to be empty and all over all of my food. The good thing is we are not camping the next 2 nights. We're staying at Nathan's friend just out of Noosa. So yeah, there's that benefit. Gonna get some washing done, and you know, although we have actually stayed in actual beds the last couple of nights because of the me having to go to hospital, and then yeah, so we'll make good tracks. Whee.
And then you're using your rear brake?
Yep, I'm definitely using my rear brake more now.
Great. Oh, that came in too hot for that one. Oncoming truck.
Hello, Mr. Truck. How is your day going?
Everyone get through the section.
Yeah, so we found this section of road, lots of flowy corners, you know, it can be a little bit aggressive because it's actually good vision. Really enjoying it.
Going down.
And we have an absolute blinder. And enjoying the beautiful weather. So we're about to head up Mount Glorious, along the Mount Glorious Road. Yeah, it's supposed to be a bit of fun. Actually, we were watching, who was it? Wayne Downsett the other day, and they went along here for their Tropic Thunder, or a few of them went to their adventure bikes up north. We are not having the luxury of having adventure bikes. We are on our road bikes that we turned into adventure bikes the other day. Yeah, so it's about to get nice and twisty. Very awesome. I think Nathan's turned his GoPro on. Oh, this next section's looking fun. surface change. Woo, that was fun. Yes, 80.
I 180s, bro.
I want to do some sick, pretty sick 180s, bro. That stick looked like it was on the outside of the road, and I was like, oh boy.
Ah, okay.
I'm rolling too fast.
Making sure Zach's still there.
Yes.
Yep. Rock.
They got little legs. So we just had an epic time on Mount Glorious Road, and we cut in a lot of that footage. Yeah, so now we're heading towards Kilcoy, which is where last night before we made the first detour, where we're going to stay just outside of Warwick, and then we got the hospital trip, which made us staying in Warwick. Yeah, but awesome ride so far today. We've still got a few hours left. We've got one more petrol stop at least. Nathan doesn't have a huge range. He has about 100 kilometers less than either me or Zach. So we're just cruising through. Enjoying the views, enjoying the road, having a great time. Yeah, so we got a rest day tomorrow. Not sure what we're going to do in it. Definitely get some washing done. So we're comfortably on our way to Black Mountain. We've got about an hour of riding left until we get to where we're staying, and then we'll be having a rest for a day. So there will be no day 7 video. Yeah. Record the outro for me, Nathan?
Nah.
Boom!
You missed a chance.
Thanks for watching.
I was saying the outro and then you turned your camera off before I started. So. Just disappointed with your approach, and so I want to thank the viewers for sticking around for this tiresome ride and putting up with us guys for so long, I guess. And don't forget to drop a comment if you think that Zach rides better than Mitch, and if Mitch rides better than a turtle. Thanks, guys.
But more importantly, if you like the video, like and subscribe.
Because it really helps with my ego.
Yeah. It's all about the ego.